International Airport, Durban. In the interest of safety, we ask that you stay seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Take extra care when opening the overhead compartments as luggage may have shifted. Smoking is still strictly prohibited until you have reached the designated smoking area. Should you need assistance leaving the aircraft, please remain in your seat and wait for the rest of the passengers to leave. A member of the cabin crew will then assist you. We have arrived safely and it's time for us to say goodbye until we see you again. Thank you for flying SAA and have a safe, happy and wonderful day. On behalf of Captain Harris and the rest of the team, thank you for flying with us.